Wagwan guys, today we're back here at our brick addition project. As you can see here, we finished the back section. Let me take you over there and show you the back. So we finally completed the back section. We also completed the side over there. Now we're working on the, you know what, let me take you over there and show you the side that we already completed over there. Because I lost the footage. I lost my memory card with the, so we finished this side here. As you can see, completed this side and the back. The back is all done. Now we're gonna start to work on the side over here. Now we're gonna start to work on this side. So I'm gonna install my flashing, followed by Tyvek, all those fun stuff for you guys right now. The first step here is installing the flashing along the foundation ledge. The purpose of the flashing is to help direct any moisture back out instead of allowing the water to work its way into the wall assembly. Water management is a big part of any brick veneer system, so this is one of those details that help to protect the structure long term. After that, we move on to the Tyvek. The Tyvek acts as part of the weather resistant barrier behind the brick. Its job is to help protect the wall from air and water penetration while the system allows the wall assembly to breathe properly. Once the Tyvek is up, I go ahead and tape the seam using exterior rated tuck tape. With that done, I start spreading mortar onto the foundation ledge to get ready for the first course. Before I start laying, I like to lay out the band so I can see exactly how the wall is going to land before I committed to it. The reason I do this is to make sure I can keep full brick in the wall and avoid unnecessary cuts if possible. It also helps me to figure out the joint size needed to work with, so everything lands properly and the band stay consistent. Now I'm laying the first brick, and this is one of the most important brick in the wall because everything starts built off it. This is where you want to slow down. Make sure your line is right, your height is right, and your band is started off properly. I'm also installing the weep vent in the head joint. These are important because they give any moisture that get behind the bricks a way to escape, which helps the wall drainage properly instead of trapping water behind it. Okay, so we reach up for a few courses, install our brick ties, get a little bit stiffer on my line here. Rubbing right onto the line. Give a